Hi guys, today we are going to do a lab where you are in a hospital and you have to try to save some people who are car crash victims by giving them blood transfusions. So we are going to apply what we learned about who can get what type of blood. Okay, so our first step is we need to select a patient. So I'm going to select this guy who has this red colored hair. Now, one of the cool things about this lab is that you can drag the syringe down and you can get blood out of the guy's arm, but it's kind of fun if you stab him in the face, he will scream. We'll do that a couple times just for fun, get it out of our system. All right, now let's get some blood. Okay, so when we talked about the antigens are the proteins that are on the outside of the red blood cells. And you can have up to 3 types of antigens on your red blood cells. You can have A antigens, you can have B antigens, or you can have RH antigens, and the RH is what makes your blood positive or negative. So I'm going to put a drop of blood in each of these vials. And what we're looking for is we're looking to see if they clump or not. If they clump, that means that that's a positive reaction. So for this one, A didn't clump, so I don't have A's. B didn't clump, so I don't have B's. Well, if I don't have A's or B's on my blood, what type of blood do I have? O, I have O blood. So I know that this patient has O blood, but do they have positive or negative blood? Well, I had clumping here, so this is a positive reaction. So this person does have RH antigens on their blood. So I'm going to click RH positive. We're bloody right. All right. So now we have to give this guy some blood. And it says over here that he only needs 1 bag. Well, he has RH positive blood that's O. If I give him A's, his body doesn't have any A's. So his immune system is going to freak out and it's going to start clumping up. So we don't want to give him any A's. So I'm not going to give him any A's. Same thing with the B's. Because he has O blood, he doesn't have any B antigens on his cells. So his immune system is going to freak out if it sees those B's. So we're not going to give him any B's. AB, that's both of the antigens, that would be super bad. That's extra bad because now he would get 2 of the antigens that his system has never seen before. I have, here we go, there we go. I have RH positive O, and I have O negative. So he only needs 1 of these, but let's talk about which ones he could have. He has O positive blood, so I could give him O positive blood and that would be fine. But I could also give him the O negative blood because remember O negative doesn't have any of the antigens on it, so you can give it to anyone and their immune system isn't going to freak out. So that's what I'm going to give him. I'm going to give him some good old O neg. And he's happy. Yeah, we saved him. All right, so now we're going to move on to our next patient, the guy with the green hair. Okay, so stab him in the face just for fun. Stab him in the arm for real. Okay, now we're going to do the exact same thing that we did with our first patient. I'm going to go drop, drop, drop. And I'm looking for clumping, and clumping is a positive reaction. It means that it has that antigen on the red blood cells. So this guy is clumpy for A, so I know he has A's. He's not clumpy for B, so I know he doesn't have B's. So I know he has A blood. Now I just have to figure out if he has positive or negative blood. Well, it looks like RH is clumping pretty good over here, so he has A positive blood. So it tells us over here that this guy needs 2 bags of blood. He has A positive blood. Let's talk about what he could have. He has A positive blood. I could give him A positive blood. But can he have A negative blood? Sure he can, right? because the only thing that's on those red blood cells is A's, and he already has A's in his system, so his immune system is not going to freak out whenever we hook him up with some A negative. Can't have B's because his immune system has no idea what these B's are. Can't have AB because even though he has A's, he doesn't have B's, so I can't give him these because they have B's in them. Okay, O positive and O negative. Well, he has positives on his blood, so I could give him O positive. And like we've talked about before, everyone can have O negative. But because I gave the last guy O negative, I'm going to give this guy O positive. Let's see if I save him or kill him. Okay, good, we saved him. And for our last patient, which is the lady with the purple hair, let's go ahead and get some blood out of her. Drop, drop, drop. So clump, clump, no clump. I know this person has A's. I know this person has B's. So what type of blood does this person have? AB. Now we just have to figure out if they're positive or negative. So look at this little vial. Do you think that it's positive or negative? Right, it's negative. So I'm going to say that this person has AB negative blood. Now we've got to give her some blood. Now she must have lost a lot of blood because we've got to give her 4 bags. She has AB negative blood. So I can't give her anything that has a positive on it because her body has never seen these Rh proteins and would freak out. So can I give her A positive blood? No, because it has a positive. Can I give her A negative blood? Well, her body has seen the A's before because she's got A's. And it's not positive, which is what she is. So yeah, I can give her this one. She has B's in her blood. I can't give her B positive because she doesn't have positive blood, but I can give her B negative. She already has AB negative blood, so I'm just going to hook her up with another one of those. Now, out of the ones that are left, can she have O positive blood or can she have O negative blood? Right, you can give her the O negative. And mission complete. We got 5 out of 5 blood drops. Good job, guys.